bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God
Happy Mother's Day. Ang aking anak na yan, magalang sa magulang, mapagmahal sa magulang, gayon din sa kanyang mga anak, mapagmahal sa asawa, mapagmahal din, masipag, mabait, at magaling makipagkapwa sa mga tao.
Hello, May. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mi.
Always think positive and be positive. Wag lang sa sakit.
Ang laging maging mabait at huwag mababago ha. Love you.
Love you. Happy Mother's Day ulit.
Mother's Day ulit, Mi.
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day to all beautiful mothers out there, especially to my dear sister Danilyn. Si Sister Danilyn bilang isang ina, siya ay mapagmahal. Kaya niyang ibigay lahat at magsakripisyo para sa mga anak niya. Sa puso niya nandun yung lubos na pangunawa at pag-intindi niya sa mga ito. At alam ko kung gaano niya kamahal ang mga anak niya. At higit sa lahat, I appreciated most sa kanya is yung paano niya pinapatibay ang faith niya kay God. That's why I love you, Sister Danilyn, and God bless. Happy Mother's Day again.
Hello mga kapatid, happy Mother's Day po sa inyo dyan, sa mga nanay na, especially sa aking asawa na mas lalong sumeksi at gumanda simula nung napangasawa ako. Happy Mother's Day, Mira Potpot. Wala ka na sigurong mahiling pa kasi nabigyan na kita ng magandang lahi. I love you.
Hello, my dear. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for being my number one supporter. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for your sacrifices. Thank you for the love. And thank you for everything. I hope that you will have a wonderful day and have a blast. Hoping that you will enjoy this day. Happy Mother's Day. Love you. Sunis, my dear. Ingat ka palagi. Wish you.
Happy Mother's Day, Jocelyn. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Gillen.
I love you.
Akin no sa mamuri.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Gusto lang naman niya ni Kenji na masking malayo ikaw sa amon. Palangga. Kagina mo naman. Palangga, kagina mo niya duwa ni Kenji. Kag ni Papa. And sa mo lang nga tani ng hindi mo sa tani mo like kabayan kaganda pero ni nga mag-safe ikaw. So again, happy Mother's Day diwat Mama. Tani makitaan naman diwat soon.
Happy Mother's Day. Halong kadaday.
Hi, Maya. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day. I love you. Ingat lagi. Ito may flower para sa'yo. Ito, para sa iyo lang.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for buying toys.
I love you.
I love you, Ma.
Happy Mother's Day to the most beautiful lady in our house, our mother. Yes, dapat may intention. Beautiful lady. Kasi kung hindi, mababatukan kami. Charot. Hi, Ma. Ayoko ng drama talaga. Hi, Ma. Thank you so much sa mga supports na binibigay niyo po sa amin with Allison. Supports na unconditional in a sense na you let us to commit mistakes for us to learn, and napaka complicated for other people to understand it, but sa ngayon, I fully understand how you discipline your children. And I'm very blessed to have you. And I'm very blessed because... I'm very blessed because God gave you as our mother. Wait lang. Okay. So, sa ngayon, I could say na I'm not totally I can stand in my own feet. But sa ngayon, don't think about me because I'm also thinking about my future. I'm thinking about my plans. Sa ngayon, I want you to focus kay Allison because she needs your guidance. She needs your love. Because she's still too young and she needs you to be there in her side para matuto siya sa mga bagay-bagay. And yun lang, Ma, don't worry dahil hindi pa mag-aasawa. Okay? Yes. And sorry sa mga pagiging matigas ang ulo. And yun lang. Thank you, Ma. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma.
Ingat kayo palagi. Mahal na mahal kayo namin.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. I love you. I love you.
Love you, Ma.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, Mother's Day natin. Salamat sa Lord. Ito ang naging inang Lilia. Ito ang naging lola. Salamat sa Lord. Kasama na kayo ni Lilia. Kailan ang uwi nyo? Kasi, mas nakita. Sabi ba naman ang lolo mo, hindi ko na nakakilala sa natin. Hindi ko nakilala. Kasi nga, pagka natawag, wala naman siya. Hindi niya nakikita si natin. Iingat kayo ninyo. I love you. God bless. Mama.
Mama, I love you really much and I send you the best love in the whole world. I love you. Mama, you're quite love. Mama, say I Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you very, very much. You're the best mom in the world. Mama, 母亲节快乐！你是全世界最美丽、最棒的妈妈，我们都爱你。Maligayang araw ng mga nanay. Mahal na mahal kita. Happy Mother's Day po, Mama. Thank you po sa lahat ng pambili po ng Jollibee. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day po, Mama. Ingat ka po din palagi sa abroad. At maraming salamat po dahil kahit pa paano po napagpadala pa rin po kayo sa akin at sa amin. At nagtatrabaho po kayo, naghihirap po kayo sa amin. At maraming salamat din po dahil din niyo po kami pinapabayaan dito. At naghihirap po kayo dyan para may mapakain po kayo sa amin. Yun lang po, Mama. I love you.
Smile. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Thank you for everything. Thank you for loving the kids. Less stress, Ma. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Enjoy mo lang palagi at wag masyadong magpapakapagod. I love you, ma. Thank you sa lahat. Kiss na si mama. Mwah! Love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. I miss you. Ingat ka palagi dyan, Mama. Hi, Mami. Happy Mother's Day. Ingat lagi ikaw sa work. I love you. I miss you. Happy Mother's Day, Mama Joyce. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Ingat ka lagi, Daddy. Bye-bye.
Hello Joy at Angel, happy Mother's Day sa inyong dalawa. Sana nasa good health kayong dalawa lagi at alam ko may mga kanya-kanya na tayong family. Still praying na sana matupad pa rin ninyo ang inyong mga pangarap para sa inyo at para sa inyong family. Ayan, yun, happy Mother's Day sa inyong dalawa, ate at kapatid. At sana mag-diet na kayong dalawa.
Happy Mother's Day, anak. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami. Ingat lagi.
Happy Mother's Day, Bunso.
I love you. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Good evening po. Ako po ang mama ni Banji David. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na patuloy niya pong niyakap at yakapin pa ang anak ko na magpatuloy na magpuri sa Diyos Ama. Anak, maraming salamat sa sakripisyo mo, sa pagmamahal mo sa amin at sa mga kapatid. Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak, at mag-ingat ka palagi. Happy Mother's Day. Sa bawat araw, anak, patuloy lang na magpasalamat sa Diyos. Gabayan ka palagi dahil malayo ka sa amin. Alam mo yan, anak. Miss na miss ka na namin at mahal na mahal ka namin. Salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo. God bless, nak. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi, ako po si Aizen David, anak po ni Banji David. Hello, Mami. Kamusta ka po dyan? I love you very much. I miss you. Salamat po sa lahat ng binigay niyo sa amin. Happy Mother's Day.
Sean? Kuya! Hi guys, andito na ako. By the way, yun nga po, Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Mahal na mahal ka namin magkakapatid. Mahal na mahal ka ni Papa. At, ayun, sana hindi ka na ganun magalit sa amin pag kunyari madami yung bahay, ganun. Tapos, more blessings to come and God bless you po.
Hi, Happy Mother's Day. I thank God for giving you as my sister, and I'm really proud for what you have achieved in life, and continue for being the best mother to your children and a good wife to your husband. I love you and I miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you for being a great mom, a great lalao, and a great church mom to everyone who doesn't have their mom close by. I just feel so privileged to have a mom that has so much love that she can just be with everyone and love them. We miss you so much, and we hope that you will come visit us soon. Love you. Bye.
Radio.